This example is for communicating and influencing at 8 HEO and SEO grade. It has been created using the guidance and example statements from the guide you can download with the link in the description. That guide provides clear advice on how to write your own statements and includes full examples across all behaviors. I believe that effective communication and the ability to influence are vital for successful leadership and teamwork. This belief guides my efforts to ensure clarity and engagement in all interactions. This opening belief statement is exactly what the guide recommends under the B-star method. It sets out your belief in the behavior upfront, which shows the assessor you understand its importance and live by it. As an HR manager, I was responsible for rolling out a new employee benefits program. The challenge was to communicate the changes clearly and gain employee buy-in, considering the diversity of our workforce. Here we see the situation and task parts. It tells the role you were in, what you were responsible for, and what the challenge was. That makes it very clear to the assessor what you were trying to achieve. I developed a comprehensive communication plan. I crafted clear, concise messages that explained the benefits and changes in simple terms. I ensured these messages were consistent across all channels, including emails, intranet posts, and face-to-face meetings. This section is the activity part. It shows the concrete actions you took. It is effective because the language is active and specific. You did not just say you helped with communication, you said you developed a plan, crafted messages, and ensured consistency across channels. That detail is exactly what the guide stresses. Understanding the importance of addressing individual needs, I organized focus groups with representatives from various departments. This allowed me to gather feedback and address concerns specific to different teams. I also made myself available for one-on-one meetings with any employee who needed further clarification. This strengthens the activity section by showing how you adapted to different audiences. It highlights inclusivity and consultation, which the guide notes is vital for this behavior. By showing that you offered both group and individual options, you demonstrate awareness of diverse needs. To maximize understanding and impact, I utilized a mix of communication methods. For tech-savvy employees, I created an interactive online FAQ and scheduled webinars. For others, I conducted in-person sessions and distributed printed materials. Here you are, giving more examples of specific actions, and importantly, you are showing adaptability. You match the method to the audience. This demonstrates influence and communication at a high standard, as recommended in the guide. Throughout the process, I maintained a positive and enthusiastic attitude, encouraging employees to share their thoughts and ask questions. I regularly checked for understanding by soliciting feedback and adjusting my approach as needed. This sentence shows behavior in practice. The guide points out that enthusiasm and positivity should come through in your examples. You also show that you monitored understanding and made adjustments, which is a strong demonstration of leadership and communication. The rollout was successful with a 90% employee engagement rate and positive feedback on the clarity and usefulness of the communication. This experience reinforced my belief in the importance of tailored, enthusiastic communication to effectively influence and engage diverse audiences. This is the result part of the B-star structure. It gives a measurable outcome with the 90% engagement rate and positive feedback. The guide stresses that results should be clear, preferably with numbers, and link back to your belief. This conclusion does that neatly. If you want the full set of guidance and example statements this has been built from, use the link in the description to download the guide. It will help you shape your own statements with confidence. And that is the end of this example. Please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel for more job application tips. Thanks you and goodbye.